Hi everyone. Today's session we're going to talk about Google Adwords. For set up a Google Adwords, we need a Gmail account. Once we create a new Gmail account, then Google provides 300 bonus dirhams for run a campaign. Sometimes the existing customer also receive the 300 dirham as a promotional offer. But most of the promotional offer they get the new customer because they want to promote the new customers. For this 300 dirhams, we can run any kind of campaigns. Before that, if you not get the 300 dirhams, just check the description below so that the link is I share there. Just click the link, you get 300 dirhams from the link. So by this 300 dirham, we can run the campaign freely in the all the campaigns like lead generation, increase the website traffic, or increase the YouTube channel subscription, view, all kind of things. So I start how it will show. Just watch. Once you type in Chrome, like Google Adwords Startup, just type Google Adwords Startup. Once you're done, it will show a Chrome page in search result. Because of its, I am in Dubai, that's it showing in Arabic. But otherwise, it will show like this. Then the first ad you need to click Google Adwords and choose keyword. It's done. It will show the home page. Here we need to click the start now so that it will take to the campaign page. So before that start now, they ask you Gmail details. As I mentioned before, once we going to create a new Google Adwords, it will ask you a Gmail account, username and password. So we need to do this so that I just create a fake account, just like doing this part. So once we're done, it take like this new Google Ad account or switch to old. So I type new one because it's a new account. So here it will ask you some few questions. What do you want to promote? So I am going with the website. So I have a URL, the detail I'm going to put. I see company UAE. It's my domain I buy last year. So then I put the URL before I put the company name. So now I'm just putting your company URL, just copy paste from the Chrome. So it's easy for me, no need to type HTTPS like that. Next, so it will scan our website. Once they scan, it will show you the mobile and desktop. In mobile, it look like this, and desktop, it's look like this. So a simple website I just made. I will show you later on, later videos, how to make a website within 5 minutes. And here it automatically taking all the details from the website. So head 1, head 2, and the right side if you see the title description, someone typing display marketing, it will show these ads. And below we need to type our phone number so that it see the call campaign, call business. So someone see this ad they directly want to call, just they click the icon button, it will directly call us. This one the keyword means the people searching some keyword. So the Google giving this other keyword is the selection from the website. So I just can type or I can select the keyword from this list itself because this list it's directly from Google, so it's genuine keywords. So this all is digital marketing kind of keywords. So your company is something other types like business, like bank or hospital, something related. We can choose that. It Google automatically pick that. So we can choose only 7 to 10 keywords for starting because we are beginner. It's a new account. Then start. Then here we can choose the location. I only choosing Dubai. We can enter which country we want or a small area also we can focus. I just type in Singapore, it will show Singapore. This ad will promote in the Singapore, Dubai. See the Singapore location on the right side. So I want Malaysia, I can type Malaysia, it will show the description, it will show on the right side. Now I just go with Dubai. So I reduce the, I only want a few area of Dubai, only 5 kilometers or 8 kilometers. So see the right side, it will show only this areas, my ads. So the next step, they will ask you the budget, how much budget you want to promote daily. so that I only put 32. We can enter our own. Just I mentioned enter my own. Just reduce to 34 or 32 or 60 or like just go with like 26. It's fine. For 1 month, I will run the campaign. This one setup when I want to start. Today is my setup. Today I want to start or tomorrow. I can choose which date I want to stop this campaign. So this campaign will run continuously 1 week. So once it's done, they show the preview how it's our ads are look like. So on the right side, it's look like this. So this is our ad, like PPC. Someone typing some keyword related as your company. Our my ad will come on the first, and after that the payment. Once we done, we see the payment. This is a promotional code. The one I told you. There you get 300 dirham. This card detail we need to fill up. Once we done this detail, submit. Then it take to the campaign display how the campaigns is look like. Any any campaign if you do, it will look like as a beginner level. It will show the campaign look like this. Then next, I show the result how it's. Once the campaign is launched, you can see this screen on the front so that it will show the beginner level. On the right side, there is a switch view. Once you click the switch view, then it shows all the campaigns. Here you create a new campaign. Anything is advanced level. So here, new campaign. Just click that. Then it will show the what are the features inside sales, leads, website, YouTube channel promotion, everything. That one we can talk about next class. Thank you.